This is Darcy Burka with the MarineMax Pensacola. We're here on a sunny Thursday, and we're gonna tour this 27 Dauntless, brand new. It came with twin 300 throttle Mercuries. Has the ski tow bar on it, and traditional Dauntless has the bench with the custom center seat. This does have full electronics, so you're looking at twin Raymarine screens, VHF, digital throttles, and custom steering wheel. So this also does have, if you look down below, it does have the swim platform attached to it. Now, the hard top, instead of the rocket launchers, we did add the sure shade in this one, so it's a very nice feature. And also in the bow, there is a shade that goes on the bow that comes out and mounts on the poles. So once you put these benches up, very relaxing, very social area, and then lots of storage in the cabinet area for your tanks and items you need to go out on the beach with. So come and check this thing out at MarineMax Pensacola. It's here on the water. We can do plenty of demos and many other boats like it.